Tuesday morning. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News. Plus, I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers with a look at your forecast. Well, we have a variety of temperatures to deal with. You know, we were talking about yesterday that Arctic cold front that snuck in over the northeast corner of the state, and it was a sharp front. In other words, that basically means there is a big contrast and a sharp contrast in temperatures behind the front and in front of the front. So we were talking about that yesterday, and we're seeing that really play out once again today with that Arctic air moving in. And keep in mind that Arctic cold air, basically, as we know in our physics class growing up, that is dense and heavy, and so the cold air, and the colder the air, the more it sinks, the denser the air, and the more it sinks down. So we have this cold air dropping down from the north, and then we have the mountains on the west, and that cold air is just hitting those mountains and kind of pooling over the plains. But it really depends on where that cold air is to forecast those temperatures. So a little bit of a challenge as that cold air seeps in over the metro area. Certainly DIA is going to be colder than southern Denver metro areas, and northern areas a little bit chillier as well. So let's take you outside where we can see just how a little bit cloudy. Certainly we're going to see mostly cloudy skies. We have a nice stratus, gave us some low visibility across the area with some fog and some actually freezing fog out at DIA earlier today. Right now we're at 23 at DIA. So again, that cold air really filtering in over the northeast metro area, and DIA included. Winds out at DIA not too bad, but we're getting breezier the more you head to the west. So you can see those flags flying here at the 9 News studios. So your weather headlines for today: cooler today. We have wind returning tomorrow. Breezy conditions in the foothills and the mountains today, but those winds are really going to pick up tomorrow. No advisories as of yet, but we'll keep monitoring for that. But we're expecting winds 30, 40 with gusts up to 50 miles per hour even here along the urban corridor. So that is something we're going to be looking out for tomorrow. We also have mountain snow moving into the forecast for tomorrow. There's also a chance we could see some lower elevation snow Saturday. Current temperatures, again, you could see where that cold air is filtered in. So we have 21 in Sterling right now, 23 in Greeley, 23 in Denver, but Fort Collins, 21 in Fort Collins, but Colorado Springs 38. And did you head west of the metro area? Check it out. Evergreen 52 right now, Conifer 50, Estes Park 53. So the cold air just filtering right on up to the mountains and the Palmer Divide, and you can see where it's kind of just pooling into that area, the lower elevations, but not quite making it up to the higher elevations, which is Conifer and Estes Park and Evergreen. Current visibility, again, down, we're looking at 2 miles at Denver International Airport. Out I-70, we have reduced visibility down to about half a mile as well. So again, keep in mind, there is fog out there if you're traveling east across the plains. For the metro area, we likely will get up to the upper 40s to 50 degrees. This is where it gets a little bit problematic. And again, because our official temperatures, our official highs are recorded at DIA, so I'm not sure the DIA is actually going to make it up to 50 degrees, but the metro area will likely get up to the upper 40s to about 50 degrees. I don't think DIA will actually get that warm. We'll keep monitoring that, but again, for the metro area, we're looking at a high right around 49, 50 degrees. We'll reach that at about 3 o'clock this afternoon, but again, where our official high will be recorded, I don't think it will get that high to that level. I think it'll top out in the low to mid 40s out at DIA. Forecast size, again, Fort Morgan 39, Sterling 34, but those folks might not even make it out of the 20s as we head into the afternoon. So again, I'm thinking we're going to be trending a little bit cooler than these forecast highs with that cold pool just settled in, that cold air mass just settled in over the plains right now. Tonight, 34 degrees, partly cloudy skies, going to be a bit breezy, but mild. Taking a look at our futurecast, again, really just dealing with some clouds out there today. And then we have snow moving in over the northern mountains tomorrow, and that does include the I-70 corridor. So the pass levels, I-70 will, if you're heading up that direction tomorrow, you will encounter winter-like driving conditions. As for how much snow we're talking about, again, 1+ inches, 1 to 2, head up to Steamboat Springs, you'll get a little bit more, 3 to 4 inches of snow. So forecast highs for tomorrow, we're going to be up in the 60s, upper 60s here in the metro area. So we're looking mainly 60s and 70s across the place. So tomorrow is going to be the warmest day with those downsloping winds that lead to compressional warming. So tomorrow actually going to be the warmest day, windiest day, but also the warmest day. So current wind gusts not too bad. Again, just some breezy conditions in the foothills. But as we put our wind gust forecast into motion here, you are going to see those winds really pick up tomorrow morning. Denver, winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour, 40+ mile per hour winds in Arvada, Boulder, Longmont, Golden. And then as we head into the noon hour, those winds are going to pick up even here in the metro area, gusting 40+ miles per hour, and then starting to settle down as we head into tomorrow evening. As for that snow, again, we're looking at snow for the high country tomorrow, and then on Saturday we see another system move in Friday night into Saturday morning across the mountains. We're going to see a decent amount of snow, and then again across the metro area, I-70 south along I-25 metro area south into Saturday night. So again, we are looking at the possibility for some light snow developing both Saturday morning and Saturday night. But in the meantime, we are dealing with, again, a variety of temperatures today with that Arctic cold air mass settling in over the plains. Again, northeast Denver is going to be topping out in the 40s. South Denver going to be making it into the 50s. North Denver, we're going to be mainly in the 40s as well. In fact, northeast Denver might not even get out of the 30s, far extreme northeast Denver metro area. So we're looking again at a wide variety of high temperatures due to that Arctic air mass moving in over the plains today. But for the urban area, the downtown area, we're looking at a high right around 50 degrees. Then tomorrow, the warmest day out of the week, but also the windiest day out of the week, with those winds gusting up to 50 miles per hour, even here in the metro area tomorrow, right around noon. So again, it is going to be a windy but warm day tomorrow. We've got mountain snow moving into the forecast on Thursday. We're going to top out in the mid 50s. We're looking at a high of 64 on Friday with increasing clouds. Saturday, again, we have that system that is looking to bring some light snow to the metro area and south, including I-70 out east across the plains, so that could impact driving. We'll keep an eye on that one. 43 degrees, it is also associated with a cold front moving through, and that's going to drop those temperatures. Sunday, just a chance for some snow, 39 degrees. It is going to be chilly. Big change in our forecast. We're looking at 67 on Wednesday and about a 30+ degree swing as we head into next week. It'll be a chillier week ahead with temperatures below normal. Our average high for this time of the year is 44 degrees, so we're going to be well below that Sunday, Monday, and as we head into the work week. Of course, we will keep monitoring the temperature changes as well as that snowstorm moving in. Stay tuned to 9 News Plus. We'll have updates throughout the day as well as your 9 News family of networks. Thank you so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus this Tuesday morning. I'm 9 News meteorologist, Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.